Gemini, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH at itinan natin ang energies na parating sa inyo ngayong New Moon in Aries on March 29, 2025, 6:57 p.m. Philippine time. Ayan, so New Moon is about new beginnings and Aries is the start of spring equinox. So technically, Happy New Year sa inyo. So maaring may mga bagay na magsisimula, no? Can be a new chapter in your life. It's in your 11th house, no? 11th house of your dreams, your hopes. This is also about your community. Maaring meron kang mga bagong kaibigan, bagong connections, or mas magiging visible ka online. You will be connecting more with a lot of people, especially that Jupiter is in Gemini right now, which is in your first house. So Jupiter is the planet of expansion, good luck. Okay? However, itong si Mercury tsaka si Venus ay naka-retrograde sa ngayon. So, somehow, no, around this time, medyo parang conflicted ka or maaring confused ka sa mga bagay na gusto mong i-pursue related sa pangarap mo, sa career mo, sa trabaho mo. Some of you maaring nag-iisip na mag-abroad or mag-explore ng ibang opportunities outside of your comfort zone. Okay? So, itong ruler ng Aries, which is Mars, is in your second house of your finances, your assets, your possessions. Although, hindi kasi ganun ka komportable si Mars sa energy ng Cancer. O somehow, parang yun yung nagtatalo sa'yo ngayon kung ipupursu mo ba, gagawin mo ba. Lalo na kung yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong gustong career path na ipursu sa social media, sa internet. Can be online selling, affiliate marketing, content creation, digital products, at kung ano-ano pa na gagawin mo sa internet. Oo. So, ngayon, ito yung time na parang i-reassess mo, gusto mo ba talaga, meron ka ba talagang interest dyan? Kasi kung sigurado ka sa gusto mo, eventually, you will proceed, no? Kumbaga, walang makakapigil sa isang taong nanggigigil. O, diba? Walang makakapigil sa... Ano ba yan? But anyway, Pluto is in Aquarius right now, which is in your 9th house of higher learning. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring may plano kayo na mag-aral, mag-research. Ang pag-aaral naman, hindi lang yan sa school. It can also be done online or sarili mong sikap, self-study, research. Okay? So, you have that opportunity para ma-improve mo yung career path mo. So, Venus is the planet of love. This is about wealth, your money. So, kung may business ka, pwede ring at this point, you are questioning yourself whether itutuloy mo ba yung business mo ngayon or magsisimula ka ng bago. Susubok ka ng something exciting. Kasi maaring meron kang gustong idagdag na source of income. Which is good, no? Kasi, syempre, the more sources of income na meron tayo, mas mabilis mag-increase yung ating savings, yung ating wealth. Mas madali mong ma-experience yung financial freedom, financial stability. So, let's see ano pa. Gemini. Uy, the sun! This is clarity, this is energy. I feel like merong exciting new beginnings for you. Maaring nagko-contemplate ka na nito nung mga nakaraan. But I think you will go ahead, no? Lalo na kung sigurado ka na. Pwedeng magsa-start ka ng business or bagong career path na ipupursu mo. You're very excited. Oh, Queen of Pentacles, you have the resources that you need. Marami kang kakayanan. You are focused on your money. You have the Moon. The Moon is about your instinct, your intuition. Grabe, Sun and the Moon talaga, oh. Parang ano to sa inyo, Gemini? Parang ito ay isang sign sa inyo. Like a go signal na, oy, Gemini, gawin mo na. Start mo na yan. Whatever plans you have for your career or business. Page of Swords, this is about being curious, gathering information, researching. So, kung alam mo yung ginagawa mo, wala namang makakapigil sa'yo. No? You have the Six of Cups. You might be pursuing, may ipupurso ka na dati mong interest na maaring hindi mo ginawa, pinagpaliban mo dahil hindi ka pa ready. 'Di ba? Minsan interesado tayo pero hindi pa tayo ready eh. Example, interesado tayo magnegosyo pero feeling natin hindi pa tayo ready, wala pa tayong puhunan, kapital, 'di ba? Or hindi pa tayo ganun ka knowledgeable or equipped sa mga requirements na kailangan natin for that business. But I feel like with the Page of Swords here, inaalam mo kung ano yung mga bagay na kailangan mong improve sa sarili mo. Okay? To make things happen. And I think you have a lot of inspiration ngayon. Maaring yung mga taong nagsusuporta sa'yo, mga taong naniniwala sa kakayanan mo, they are there to support you, especially your family, with the Four of Wands. So I'm seeing success in this situation, especially sa career path mo. O ano man yung ipupurso mo, kung gusto mo mag-abroad or gusto mo magkaroon ng business, international, 'di ba? International business, you can make things happen for yourself. And I see na ikaw ay magiging extra popular. Meron ditong popularity, merong recognition, fame. Yes, you are becoming more famous. Take a breather and trust the universe. Yes. Take a breather. Ito yung pagre-relax mo. Lalo na kung nagkakaroon ka ng anxiety, na-frustrate ka, or nagkakaroon ka ng fears, ng takot. At magtiwala ka sa plano sa'yo ng universe. Sa plano sa'yo ni God. Because you will feel na para sa'yo talaga yan. Kasi nag-unfold yan sa'yo. Like, andun yung feeling na, uy, ito talaga yung para sa akin. Mararamdaman mo yun eh. Kasi wala siyang resistance. Na parang very smooth yung path na yon na tinatahak mo. May mga challenges, syempre, pero nagagawan mo ng paraan. Okay, so that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. See you again.